My name is Daniela Rocca. I'm a software executive with Epiuse Labs, and today we are unboxing analytics and how people analytics is a game changer for HR. Historically, human resources has been very reactive in its response to reporting. They wait for activities to occur and then evaluate the results. With the advent of technologies like people analytics, organizations can now be more proactive. They can view their employees as assets, and what they can do is measure those assets to not only see what they're doing in the past, but to predict future behavior, ensuring that the HR executive has a seat at the table to plan the most important resource within an organization, which is its employees. There was a long period of time in reporting for HR and payroll where there wasn't a single solution in place. With the advent of tools like People Analytics, it includes not only reporting, but also strategic analysis for planning for the future and analytics based on KPIs and best practice measurement. It goes back to the elimination of gut instincts and making estimates as a manager. There's not an opportunity for bias because you're working off hard facts and data. It's an exciting time to be in the HR space, especially with the advent of SuccessFactors and our migration to the cloud. It's a new way of thinking, and we're excited about it. Leveraging people analytics helps us to get there.